Okay, now we imported our data in the previous lesson. Now all we need is to copying these lines here and importing the libraries. Let's import the libraries. Just for the safety, let's check if the data are imported right or not. Let's just check that. Let's see what data give us. Okay, the data is right. We don't need it. Let's go and copy all of this line and put them all together here. Okay, let me guess if I run it now, it's work or not. Guess 5 seconds. I say yes. Let's see what happened. Okay, we have a problem. Float object has no attribute. Lower. Fit on text comment list. Why comment list? We train, right? And what is the problem? Let's make this lower. No, the problem wasn't that. Okay, we just have to find out what is the problem is. In line 6. Tokenizer.noun word and tokenizer.fit on text comment list. I think the problem is about comment list. Let's see what is the problem about comment list. Let me create a code cell here. Comment list and see what it gives us. You know what is the problem? We gave all the data to xtrain or not. Let's see. This is comment list and let's see xtrain. Okay, this is working well, I think, but let's see what is the problem is. It created a tokenizer. I tell you about tokenizer in a lesson. Fit on a text. Okay, and don't understand what the error is. We easily just copy that. Go and ask Gemini. If you don't know something, just ask. Don't be afraid of asking. We go to Gemini. In this word, you need to work with the AIs. The one who can't work with AIs have not a place in the new engineering world. This is very important for you to can work with Gemini or another kind of AI like ChatGPT. I like the free ones for now because as you know, the AIs that are not trained very well, we have to kind of another kind of AI that the AI learning. In this code, we write the learning of the AI is ended after the training, but in the something like Gemini or ChatGPT, the learning is not ended, and the model is learning every day, and that is the important matter in this AI. And I don't know why this is not opening and making me angry. Okay, let's we try our best on it until it's to open. What is the problem? Let's go and see the actual code. This is the actual one. Okay, train xtrain to list, we do this. Tokenizer is equal adjust vocabulary size. Why it's not adjusted? What is the problem? Let's go and see for ourselves. Okay, it's open. No, it's kind of fainted. Let's see what is the problem is. Okay, I know what when it doesn't work. I see you in the next lesson and solve the problem there. Bye.